Welcome to Bank Dubinary's Ahead of the Week report, covering the world's major investment events to help traders prepare their calendar. Here's a quick recap of the main asset trends for last week. The euro was down as buyers moved to the USD ahead of the NFP release. The USD was up as speculation favoured a decent performance from the US jobs sector. The GBP was down after the Bank of England cut its key rate to 0.25% from 0.5%. Gold was up as safe haven buying took flight, powered by Brexit fears and the BOE's dovish stance. Oil was down on the lack of market-moving news and a chronic oversupply. The trading event of the week is on Tuesday, when new gross domestic product results are expected to impact the pound sterling. Manufacturing and services did see a drop during July, and this will show in the GDP performance, but it's still early days for the full effects of the Brexit to be seen in the UK's economy. On Monday the 8th of August, there's a slew of data from China, the most important of which is the July exports release during the Asian session. Exports from China are on a downward trend and fell by 4.8% when last reported. Depending on the new results for July, the CNY could see plenty of price action. At 1400 on Tuesday the 9th, the National Institute of Economic and Social Research releases its 3-month GDP estimate for the UK. After the Brexit, the pound sterling is hypersensitive to bearish news, so this event is being closely watched by traders. Wednesday has a market-moving event at 2100 when the Reserve Bank of New Zealand releases its interest rate decision. Could the RBNZ be the next central bank to cut rates, after Bank of Australia did at the end of July? There's a possibility that New Zealand's monetary policymakers are eyeing more easing, so it's an important event for NZD traders. There's another big event for the GBP on Thursday the 11th of August when the Conference Board releases its leading economic index for the UK at 1330. This indicator measures future economic stability and trends in the UK. Last seen at the level of -0.2%, the new results could impact the GBP depending on whether they are bearish or bullish. Friday the 12th is an important trading day for the euro because at 0900 the Eurozone releases a GDP estimate for the second quarter. Last seen at the level of 1.6% on a quarterly basis, the euro could be boosted or busted by the new results. Now on to our trading tip based on your frequently asked questions. How strong is the impact of central bank decisions on assets? Central banks have the power to move asset prices up or down simply by changing the level of their national interest rates and asset purchases. Take the Bank of England for example. By reducing the UK's key interest rates, the central bank has likely boosted the property market because more people will be interested in taking on mortgages. The pound sterling also saw losses after the central bank's decision, so any trader who shorted the currency would have made a profit. Central bank decisions also impact most economic indicators like investment confidence, consumer spending and GDP. Remember to follow us on Facebook for daily updates and expert articles about the international markets. Follow us on Twitter by searching for #TraderTip and check our economic calendar for more events. Thanks for watching. See you next week.